Hey there, I am Aysel and today we are going to get you started with your T-SCAN Hawk 2. In this Getting Started we will be teaching you how to scan fine details. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. In general, there are two different scenarios. You either have a large part which has small details and features, or a complete detailed part. Let's consider the first option. This large cast part needs to be completely scanned. But scanning the part completely in high resolution would take too much time and would be unnecessary. What we do in this case is scan the complete part first with a point spacing set for the standard blue field of view. This is larger and it's easier to scan the whole part. Afterwards, we can add local details, for example the serial number, to make sure that this is visible in the mesh, and we increase the local resolution. The second scenario is scanning this detailed object. In this case, we will scan the complete part in a higher resolution. Let's have a look how it works in the software. If you take a look at the software, you see that I already scanned this complete part with a bigger field of view. I used the general mesh with a standard resolution, in this case 0.5 mm. But if we zoom in, we have some local detail which we want to add at a higher resolution to the mesh. This is done by using the function scan details. Scan details will increase the local resolution in the area you selected. So first of all, let us select this area. As a second step, you can also define how much you want the resolution to increase. Depending on the default resolution you choose for the general scanning, you can use a factor of 2, 4 or even 8. Let's start scanning. Here you see on top of the default mesh that you can add scan data and resolution to this specific area. It's as easy as that. So we scanned a big part with the standard field of view, then we added local resolution using the detailed scan function of a specific selected area. We can also have a complete part which requires a lot of detail. For example, this panel. In this case, the complete part requires a higher resolution. So I will scan the part with smaller point spacing right from the start. I just define a general point spacing which is high enough for the specific part. For example, let's choose 0.08 mm. Now we can scan the complete part in high resolution. Here you can also see the red crosshair projected on the part. This is also supporting you to maintain the right working distance with small parts. The correct distance is also visualized by the label lines. You have seen that you can seamlessly adjust the resolution and field of view of the T-SCAN Hawk 2 for scanning details of the part. If you experience anything different from what you've seen here, or if you have any issues with your T-SCAN Hawk 2, please reach out to us via support at handsonmetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again.